Hello and a warm welcome from the English West Midlands. We find ourselves at Molineux. I'm Derek Ray, joined by Lee Dixon in the commentary position, and it's all about action from the Premier League in this case. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers up against Newcastle United.
Hi Derek, thank you. Well, both managers will be reminding their players how important it is to start off the game really quickly. Really attack the opposition, put them on the back foot, see what comes of that. Hopefully we get a good game.
The initial 11 for Wolves. Rui Patricio begins in goal. João Moutinho plays alongside Ruben Neves in the centre of midfield. And the idea is to have just the one striker up there trying to pose problems for the opposition. Useful looking position, you've got to say. Under pressure, doesn't seem to be bothering him. Chance to cross. Alert defending. Well, so many arrows in this man's quiver. Ruben Neves. Lee, what do you expect to see from him today?
Well, I'm looking for power-based shooting. I mean, he's got an incredible leg on him. No bend, tends to hit it with his laces. Short back lift. Just watch it go off his boot, though.
Keeping it moving dynamically. Pedro Neto. Neves. It should be! Tremendous defending to stonewall him. Saint-Maximin. Joelinton. Miguel Almiron. Shelvey. And taking it away. Fabio Silva. It's with Ruben Neves. Adama. Working away patiently, looking for an opening. In possession, Adama. And Moutinho with it. And it's still on. And a very good challenge. Well, far from the ideal pass, you've got to say. Moutinho. Ruben Neves. Adama. Nelson Semedo. Silva. Giving the ball to the opposition that time. Well, nicely cut out. Saint-Maximin. Ball with Shelvey. Hayden. It's with Isaac Hayden. Saint-Maximin has it. Still pushing for that goal that would see them forge ahead.
Wolves are really controlling possession, but that doesn't lead to goals necessarily. They haven't created enough. Too slow up front, midfield, very average. The coach, he's not happy at all. He wants more from this team.
Moutinho. Cody. Romain Saiz. It's with Moutinho. Oh, superb skill. At times they make passing look easy. Ruben Neves. Will it be? In it goes! The goal for 1-0, and that changes the dynamic.
Well, here we see it again, and it's all about the pace of the passing. One touch, slick movement, but then there's plenty to do from there. He's hit it so well, lots of pace, lots of power, and the keeper just can't react in time. Great strike.
So the match has restarted, 1-0 here. That is that for the first half here. Well, this man will get most of the plaudits for his contribution up to this point, Lee.
Well, his manager will be delighted with him. He's been spot on in this game, hasn't he? Energy.
Plenty to consider based on what we've seen so far as the second half begins. Shelvey. Wilson with it. And they have possession again. Nelson Semedo. Moutinho. Cody. Nouri. Romain Saiss. Connor Cody now. Happy just to retain the ball in their own half and draw out the opposition. Well, not hard to read that pass. Almiron. Ball with Shelvey. Dummett. And scope for them to produce something exciting. Well, they're eyeing that final pass, you just feel. Almiron. Now Dwight Gale. Almiron. Excellent challenge. And there to intervene. Wilson. Showing patience, looking for the equaliser. Shelvey. Now potential danger. He's managed to get in behind. Hayden. Shelvey. Here's Almiron. Wilson. Almiron. Well, a crucial intervention inside the box. Could be a chance to break here. Fabio Silva. It's with Moutinho. And attempting the through ball. Intercepting it intelligently. And it's a matter of what occurs in the final 15 minutes. Hayden. This looks promising. Almiron. It's with Isaac Hayden. Very quick thinking there.
Well, they worked so hard here to be in front, and that's been recognised by the supporters. They just need to hold on a bit longer to see this out.
Excellent vision. Well thumped clear. Gale. Miguel Almiron. They are making headway, but really they need a goal with time not on their side. Almiron. Almiron. Could play it in. Callum Wilson. Well, he's lost the ball. And only 2 minutes remaining here. And the fourth official confirming that we'll have 1 additional minute. Romain Saiss. Ryan Ait Nouri. Well, there goes the final whistle, and a good day at the office for Wolves. 3 points gathered, Lee.
Well, Derek, either side could have won that. That's how tight it was. That will feel like 6 points, not 3.